Hi, my name is Sergey Savastyuk. I have a PhD in applied mathematics, and today I will talk about our AI robots and how to select the best for your profile. So here is our legal information. You can find all the disclaimers, all legal forms, and whatever relates to us as Tickeron as a company, you can find on our website and on this page. Okay, so this is the what I'm going to talk today. So first, I'm going to talk about the history of Tickeron modules. Then I will talk about the AI robots. Then about first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation robots, and how to subscribe to our robots and get products for free. Okay, so it is an interesting slide. Everyone is showing that in order to be successful in trading, you have to be as robotic as possible when trading. Okay, so we went ahead and then created tools which pretty much do this for you, and you will see how it works. History. So I would say that our history consists of three phases. As you can see, we are at the very end of the phase three, and I will show you what's going on. First phase, I call it AI tools. We created tools based on AI pattern recognition, trend recognition, and then put these tools for you to use. This pattern search engine, trend prediction engine, real-time patterns, screener, and buy and sell daily signals. Okay, so when we put it back in 2020, then people started using that and started asking us, how do we use it? Okay, so in order to show that, I did a lot of webcasts and explain that we pretty much used it in two steps. One step is pre-screen and then trade technically, okay? So we use kind of fundamental analysis first and then technical analysis second. And the result of that work, we ended up in the phase two, where we released first AI robot signals only without money management. Then we released virtual accounts, the same robots with signals and money management. And then we actually just released third generation, which actually a mix of the virtual accounts as a second generation. Okay, the fourth generation goes to the phase three, and we've already been testing for quite some time connection to the brokerage accounts, and then we're going to be releasing this soon. Okay, so now let's go to the demo. So this is the home watch list where you can really see and create your own robot. If you don't want to really pay a lot of money, subscribe for the most affordable signals, which are daily signals. You can see it right here on this page, and you can add any stocks you want to find. And then you can also set up your own notifications right here and then receive them via email. Okay. Green means you could have made money if you would have catch these signals. So let's load more and see. You see, it's pretty much in a good shape as self-made robots. Okay. To find the tools, you go here, AI trading, and these are the tools you can use. Okay, so as you can see, trend prediction engine, pattern searching, real-time patterns for stock ETFs, for real-time patterns, for crypto and forex, and some patterns one at a time. And this is the buy, sell daily signals. Okay, here you can create your own list and at the same time look how we trade that intraday, because these signals are given once a day. These signals are given intraday, and you can actually see how some of our AI robots been trading over the last 12 months. And you can actually kind of go and get and look at them, okay? So now let's go to them. So iRobots. So here is a kind of short introduction. You can click got it, and then you will not be able to see that screen, or you can get it right here, okay? So for instance, if you want to learn more, you get this information and read how it works, okay? Okay, now, as you can see, these are fourth generation. So this is signals only. These are virtual accounts that are signals only with money management. This is our brokerage. This is your brokerage, okay? Um, so default page, we're just trying to simplify your search, and then you see top 10 day traders, okay? And if you want to see all first generation robot, we have 55. We have, again, remove it. And then I have 48 of second generation. And the third generation, which are in the brokerages, it is 19, okay? So let's start here. And then what does it mean, your profile? We did here on the bottom. For expert, obviously, you can kind of select everything. And then for the beginner, if you're a beginner, then we kind of allow you immediately get a first glance on what you can use because we here preset maximum open position low to medium, volatility of this robot low to medium, universal diff score medium to high, diff score it is diversification score, and profit to dip ratio, profit to drawdown, any if you want to kind of even deeper find what you want, and then you will see it could be only one robot which has a time horizon. As you can see, time horizon, if you want a really short-term horizon, then you can see it allows you to pick up to your personal profile, okay? So there are other parameters you can use to select top 10. These are top 10 with our own judgment. And as you can see, they have all different annualized returns and Sharpe ratios. And in order to follow, you have to click right here. If you want to follow, let's say, based on the annual returns, which I like, let's say 28%, I will click it follow, and then it's going to get to my robots, okay? These are all robots which I'm following, and as you can see, this is the series of them. And let's study what's going on here, okay? So I follow, and then some of them are placed on autopilot. Why do you have to have an autopilot? Is because if you want to follow several of them simultaneously, then in the first generation, we allow to collapse them into one place in your paper trades, okay? So that's here they're going to be placed if you are interested, okay? So let's go to all robots. And then let's try to look deeper on the first glance. Let's assume I want and I would like to select out of the all 55 robots we placed here, all with technical analysis. So if you see here TA, so that means this robot is built only on technical analysis, and there is no fundamental analysis. If you want to include separately, add fundamental analysis, you click here. If you want to add technical analysis and fundamental analysis simultaneously, click here. And if you want to unclick, so that means these robots are built with the two steps: fundamental analysis first, and then technical analysis is a second. Okay. So this is so how many of them we have? 9. Okay. So you can look at them from the description standpoint. So here we fully disclose how we created these robots, and we presented some basic statistics. Okay. So you can look at the basic, and you can view details. So when you get inside, you again can get, you see, this is a description, and then you can look at the trading and open trade. So it looks like as if it's been placed in your brokerage account. As you can see, this is a description. If you don't want to show up, just click at the quoted. I keep it open for demonstration purposes only. So what do we have here? We have profit, okay? And then if it's green, then it's positive. Gray is still kind of waiting. Red, it is a loss in the combination, as you can see. 4 out of 6, pretty good. And what we have a current price, number of shares, entry time. It was today at 3:21 p.m. Entry was 10 a.m. So different timing and different results. And then, as you can see, holding time right here. And then you can copy it to the paper trade with this button. Okay. Here you will be able to see pending orders, and these are the closed trades. And the closed trades, as you can see, quite a lot of them are green. Okay. So now you're gonna say, okay, these are the trades, and with the stats, this is all show all stats, and then you will see what's going on. So let's look how to read that. Maximum open trades, 45. Okay, so that means over the period of time of this robot was made about 1,000 trades over the period of almost a year. Was maximum open trades 45. Okay, so then annualized return is about 76%. Average profit P&L is about 100, so it's about 1%, 1.1. And then, as you can see, long position percentage winning trade, 73%. Short position won, it's 53%. Okay, so this is a really good 73% winning trades. Profit factor, which is a ratio of winning to losing. Okay, this is an absolute drawdown, which is calculated as, let's say, here was most likely absolute drawdown 18,000. That's how far down it went, far down. Okay. Maximal drawdown per trade is this one, and these are the closed trade. These are the open trades. So that means these trades were open just today, and then you can follow them. Okay. So now let's click at show less, and then go back. This is the second generation. As you can see, these are the actually maybe I didn't finish really well with the first generation. So if I click here, got it, then yeah, I'm not going to be able to make a demo. So I'm going to keep it that way. Okay. So now let's remove this one, go back to 55. And then, as you can see, top 10 swing traders, top 10 trend traders, top 10 day traders. So these are all swing traders. This is all trend traders, day traders, and these are robots with a high win rate. So this is a really good composition based on some selection, okay? This is a composition and some pre-selection based on the technology. These are based on the price action. This is based on the popular stocks, long only, choppy markets, market neutral, long only with inverse, diversified, and high tech. Okay. So these are the choices. And using these choices, you knowing your investment profile can match your considerations. Okay. So now let's go to the second generation next. Okay. As you can see here, more details. Why? Because there is a amounts involved. Okay. So adjustable trading balance. So let's go inside, let's say, day trader by deep buying tactics. As you can see here, you can adjust. So let's assume it is 100,000, then it's a 5,000 per trade. And if it is, let's say, 50,000, then it's a half. But that allows you to know exactly, or being approximate. Okay, this is again a description. If I can show you, if I click it, got it, then pretty much going to be done. But I'm not going to do it for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, this is all statistic. These are the close trades. Similar. This is a pending order. That's where the machine is thinking to open the positions. And here is again show all stats. And as you can see, here is interesting split where we had short positions, long positions, how many positions, and let's read it here, okay? Maximum open trade 7. It is a low number, and as you can see here, long positions won 69 and 69%, and then there were no short trades, okay? So what else? Okay, now let's close that and let's go back. Okay, these are the third generation of robots. There's a few selections and also very specific, and then we take real information from brokerages, connect to brokerages. These are the descriptions. Maybe we should add the difference between first generation, second generation, third generation. And here is pretty much the same as a second, but what third generation allows us to do is to combine second generation. Okay, so for instance, you see this robot is being assembled out of 50% of a day trader and 50% of a swing trader. Okay, and so let's look. This one also 50-50. We right now have been testing different types of robots with their different types of assemblies. So you see this one is 80 to 90, and then let's look at this. Wow. Okay. So these are all trades as if, no, it has been for a while. Okay. Open positions. And then they are all combination of all these robots. Okay. So it is pretty much the same. And then what are the ways of using that. The same thing as I showed you before. On each generation, you have a left side to find your own match, your personal profile, and then what you really like. So let's assume you like swing traders. These are all swing traders for you. If you like trend traders, day traders, these are the combinations, okay? So we're right now waiting for the final testing of fourth generation where it's going to work like that. You have your brokerage account, you come, you see, you view, and then you connect, okay? And that's going to be the case. Let me then go back. What else I promised you? Yeah. Okay. So we're right here in our development. I'm going to be releasing phase 3. So in terms of pricing information, so you click here on the bottom pricing, and then as you can see, 14-day trial, okay? And then let's assume you're a day trader. We allow you to select, for that purpose, it's better if I log out, okay? And then click again pricing. So how it works, and I will show you how you get free products. Okay, so let's assume you sign up for one bundle. You get one signals only, one virtual account, one brokerage, okay? And as you can see at the very end, with a discount, you pay this amount, okay? If it is annual subscription. But let's assume you unclick these extra products you get. You have the same, you see? So what we do, we give $80 credit for you to get extra products. See, this price is not changing, okay? So that's how you can find what you really like. And then with this approach, you collect what you really want. You see, this doesn't change. The change is only here when you add extra tool, which is going beyond of $80 credit, okay? So that's how you can get free products if you subscribe to the robots. If you subscribe to the intermediate 2, where you have $120 credit, then you get actually quite a lot of stuff, pretty much everything for free, okay? So if you have any questions, please ask now. Otherwise, I'm going to finish my presentation, and I hope you're going to be interested. It's going to be possible. So here's for day traders, for investors, for experts, and that what allows you to select a proper pricing plan. That's going to end my presentation. Stop sharing and end the presentation.